Hello students, next is the disease agents here. You know that there are the many agents, many various types of agents are present in the environment or in our body which causes diseases here. Okay, so because of which if I count one by one, we make a many number of a list. Rather than making a list, let us classify in the some of the points so that we can remember easily here. So because of which here the disease agents are first one, that is a biological agent. We call them as the pathogens here. Those pathogens are virus, bacteria, mycoplasm. Already such a example, such an organism we have studied in the first topic of our 11th year. Fungi is there, protozoans is there, helminths. Okay, so in the helminths we have seen Aschelminths and Platyhelminthes, even the insects. Okay, so also we have seen but they are the organisms which causes the disease here, and other organisms are also there which causes the disease. So because of which they are the pathogens, we call it as a biological agent here. Okay, whereas the nutrient agent, that means there is a nutritious agents which cause diseases, such like minerals is there, carbohydrate is there, protein is there. One example of protein just in the video we have seen, that is the kwashiorkor, fats, vitamins and the water. All such nutrients they cause diseases, so we call it as a nutritional diseases here, or the nutritional agent here. Next one is the chemical agent. Here in the chemical agent we have made them as a two type, endogenous chemical agent and the exogenous chemical agent. As you know that endogenous, that means they are present inside the body which cause the disease, like urea, uric acid, hormone, enzyme. Okay, all you know that urea, so it has to eliminate waste matter of the body, it has to eliminate. If it remains, it causes the diseases here. Whereas uric acid, like the disease called as that is gout. Okay, so that is the disease. That is hormones we have seen, enzymes we have seen. Exogenous chemical agent like gases, dust, metals, fumes, allergens, very important. Allergens are also the like spores and the pollens, they also cause a diseases here, very important. So they are called as exogenous, which are present in the environment, so they can cause the diseases here. So remember, dust is there, metals are there, fumes are present, allergens are present. Physical agents is there which cause the diseases, like heat is there, cold, humidity, pressure, radiation, electricity, sound. All these come under the physical agent here. Whereas the mechanical agent, that is that may be caused due to the injury. Okay, that may be due to the fractures, sprains and the dislocations here. So all these that is the mechanical agent here. Okay, yeah, I told you what that. So there are the many various type of agents which cause the diseases here. If I go counting them, we count rather equally all that is equally of them. Okay, making a list here, but if we make in this manner, that will be easy to you. Okay, so that if I ask you which are the biological agent that cause a disease, biological word असं आले की तुम्ही सगळे असे जे आहे हे ऑर्गॅनिझमचं नाव घेता. न्यूट्रिशन असं आले की तुम्ही डेफिनेटली तुम्ही काय करता, प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहायड्रेट्स आणि फॅट्सचं नाव घेता डेफिनेटली. मग त्याच्यामध्ये मिनरल्स लक्षात ठेवा, विटॅमिन्स पण आहेत, विटॅमिन्सचे बेरे आता मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला, इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. डिसीज कॉज झाला ना तो, ठीक आहे. आता दुसरं मी केमिकल एजंटचं नाव घेणार. आता केमिकल असं म्हणलं की तुम्ही केमिकल्सचं काही पोल्युटंट सांगू शकता तुम्ही, ठीक आहे, पोल्युटंट्स प्रेझेंट इन द एन्व्हायरमेंट, ठीक आहे. पण बॉडीमध्ये पण केमिकल्स आहे ना, तो पण काय करतात, डिसीज कॉज करतात. हे लक्षात येणार तुम्हाला. आला लक्षात ना, की दुसरं केमिकल असं आलं की तुम्ही काय करता की विचार करता की असं कोणतं केमिकल आहे की तो डिसीज कॉज करू शकतात. आता तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं की तो येस बॉडीमध्ये पण आहे, दॅट विल कॉज अ डिसीजेस हिअर, ठीक आहे. आता त्याच्यामध्ये फिजिकल एजंट, ओके, फिजिकली दे आर गोइंग टू कॉज फिजिकल एजंट लाईक हीट, कोल्ड, ह्युमिडिटी, प्रेशर, हे सगळं काय करतात, डिसीज कॉज करू शकतात. ओके, सो तो आता कोल्डच्या रिझनमध्ये आता समर सीझन होऊन जातं, विंटर सीझन येणार. आता कोल्ड जे आहे दे आर गोइंग टू बी व्हेरी सेन्सिटिव्ह विच कॉज देम अ कोल्ड, कफ, फीवर. Okay, so that is how there is such a agent like a cold which cause a diseases here. Mechanical injury, okay, there is a mechanical agent like injury, fractures, sprains. So all this will cause a diseases here. So that will make it easy to you all students. So because of which we have made them as a disease agent, like biological agent, like nutritional agent, nutritious or the nutrient agent, chemical agent, physical agent and the mechanical agent here. Okay, so step by step we are going to clear one by one. So these are also very important. So in the next lecture we are going to take a further here. Thank you.